क्या क्या छोड़ के आती है? वो अपना इनहेरिटेंस राइट छोड़ के आती है, वो अपनी पहचान छोड़ के आती है, वो अपने माँ बाप छोड़ के आती है, वो अपनी पुरानी जिंदगी छोड़ के आती है, वो अपने ख्वाब छोड़ के आती है, वो अपना जज्बा, अपना पैशन, अपनी ट्रेनिंग, अपना एजुकेशन, अपने दोस्त सब छोड़ के आती है. Not to say that family as an institution or marriage as an institution is completely should be dissed or dismissed completely. No, it's the most beautiful institution where two people come together to build a new life in a way which will empower both of them, which will probably help them become the best versions of themselves. That's the fundamental need of an institution called marriage. Say that men are not compassionate, but that compassion to really now show up without any. I mean, I keep saying this again and again that women are as much a flag bearer of patriarchy or a vehicle of patriarchy as men who are the victims of it.
Yeah, they are.
So, how do you sort of have a safe communication space where you can say that, hey, we are both going through this fear. It's not as easy for me. I am also signing up for something completely new.
Yeah.
But that burden is usually put by the women. Also because that's what the folklores have become, have been, the folk songs have been. That's what traditionally has been communicated to the daughter of the family. कि हाँ भाई तुम्हारी रक्षा करेगा, तुम उसको राखी बांधोगी, वो लड़ाई में लड़ने जाएगा और तुमको उन अत्याचारियों से बचाएगा जो तुमको उठा के लेके जा सकते हैं. So I am what? I am to be protected. I am to be saved. I am to be. That narrative has to change.
Yeah.
नई घर छूट हो जाए, रिचा अपने घर को छोड़ के दिवाकर के घर में आती है, तो वो क्या क्या छोड़ के आती है? वो अपना इनहेरिटेंस राइट छोड़ के आती है, वो अपनी पहचान छोड़ के आती है, वो अपने माँ बाप छोड़ के आती है, वो अपनी पुरानी जिंदगी छोड़ के आती है, वो अपने ख्वाब छोड़ के आती है, वो अपना जज्बा, अपना पैशन, अपनी ट्रेनिंग, अपना एजुकेशन, अपने दोस्त सब छोड़ के आती है. So to be able to have that confidence and none of this will be taken from you. Do we have that? Can we say that with confidence? Can men say that with confidence? Can our elders or the families say that with confidence? The day they begin to say that with confidence will be the day where we'll find a way of dispelling this fear that women, like I said, have, which is very, very valid.
Yeah.